Hi everyone, here we've got Realme C3 and let me share with you how to customize and how to turn on actually the night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and now let's tap on the display and brightness. As you can see, actually on the third position we've got eye comfort mode, and obviously you can turn it on right now just by tapping on the switcher here, but firstly let me customize it. So simply tap on eye comfort, and here we've got some options which we can choose. Firstly, we can turn it on right now just by tapping on the switcher next to always on, but we can also set it from sunset to sunrise, or we can schedule the time, so it means that your device will automatically turn on and off this mode. So let me pick, for example, schedule time in order to show you how it works. So here we can tap on the start time, and by swiping we can choose the time we want to use. So let me pick, for example, maybe this one, and it immediately changes. So right now we can tap on end, and here we can choose, for example, this option. As you can see right now, it immediately changed the color. The screen is let's say yellowish or amber, and it is because we are between the start time and end time. So as I said, it will be automatically turned on. What's more, we can change the screen color temperature. Just right now we've got the cool option, and just by swiping we can change it. So after going to the right side, we can make it much warmer. Right now it's, let's say, actually orange. What's more, under it we've got the display effects, and we've got the color and black and white. And color, it means obviously that it will protect our eyes. The screen will be yellow, but you will be still able to see the colors. Let's check the wallpaper. As you can see, it is yellow obviously, but you can still see the pink and the blue colors. And we can change it, let me get back there, and we can change it to black and white. So it means that it will reduce the intensity of all bright colors, and actually it will use only the black, white and gray color. So after tapping on this option, you can see that everything is actually monochromatic. So, but let me get back to the colors because that's quite a strange option. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the eye comfort mode, and after that, if you will customize it, you can have much faster access to this feature. And all you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the eye comfort mode icon, which is right here, and all you have to do in order to turn it off is to tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state immediately. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Realme C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.